New Honda Legend. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Honda flagship 4-door sedan type new Honda Legend released, the new Legend Hybrid EX with Honda Sensing Elite, equipped with the long-awaited automatic driving Level 3 for the first time in the world. The model announced this time is an advanced model based on the existing Great Hybrid EX, so the traffic jam pilot congestion driving function is automatically operated by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism. Autonomous Driving Level 3, it is an advanced technology that is suitable for conditional autonomous vehicles. This allows the system to perform driving operations on behalf of the driver under certain conditions, such as during highway congestion, greatly reducing the driver's fatigue burden. In addition, the new Lexus LS equipped with the automatic driving technology Advanced Drive will also appear, but not only will it attract attention by commercializing it earlier than this model, but also the number of units sold will be limited to a certain number of customers. The new Legend equipped with automatic driving Level 3, is based on the premise that there are factory equipment specified by Honda, and a Honda mechanic who can handle car driving Level 3, so this model may be used by some dealers. It seems that there are places where you cannot sell. This area is similar to NSX. The exterior itself is based on the existing Grey Legend, but the front lower bumper area has been redesigned. It is equipped with blue accessory lamps, and special aluminum wheels, and while casually claiming that it is a car equipped with an automatic driving device, it is said that it is improving the Dignity. And Dignity is a flagship sedan. Due to international standardization, it is necessary to turn on the turquoise blue during automatic operation. The interior, the Type Legend Hybrid EX Honda Sensing Elite is equipped as standard with the Honda Sensing Elite indicator light and 12.3-inch full LCD graphic meter, which are particular about the layout, size, color, and brightness. It is a full digital liquid crystal meter following the Subaru new Levorg, but this meter is designed so that the operating status and operation requirements of the system can be intuitively transmitted to the driver. What do you think of new Honda Legend? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.